Ram 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 Sarvebhyah. Swagatam. Welcome to Learning to Chant Narayaniyam, class number 20. Gururev gatirgurumev bhaje gurunaiv sahasmi namo gurave na guroh paramam shishurasmi guroh matirasti gurau mama pahi guro Shrikanto matulo yasya janani sarvamangala janakashankaro devaha tam vande kuncharananam पीताम्बरं करविराजितशङ्खचक्रकौमोदकी सरसिजं करुणासमुद्रं राधासहायमतिसुन्दरमन्दहासं वातालयेशमनिशं हृदि भावयामि. We will start with the revision of 9th Dashakam today.
स्थितः स कमलोद्भवस्तव हि नाभिभङ्गेरुहे कुतस्विदिदमम्बुधा उदितमित्यनालोकयन् तदीक्षण कुतूहलात् प्रतिदिशं विवृत्ताननः चतुर्वदनतामगाद्विकसदष्टदृष्ट्यम्बुजाम् महार्णवविघूर्णितं कमलमेव तत्केवलं विलोक्य तदुपाश्रयन् तव तनुं तु नालोकयन् क एष कमलोदरे महति निस्सहायो ह्यहं कुतस्विदिदमम्बुजं समजनीति चिन्तामगात्.
Can you see the screen?
No, the third one I can't see.
Now? Is it visible now?
Yes, it is visible now. अमुष्य हि सरोरुहः किमपि कारणं सम्भवेत् इति स्म कृतनिश्चयः स खलु नालरन्ध्रध्वना स्वयोग मोहनन् न तु कलेवरं दृष्टवान्. ततः सकलनालिका विवरमार्गगो मार्गयन् प्रयस्य शतवत्सरं किमपि नैव सन्दृष्टवान्. निवृत्य कमलोदरे सुखनिषण्ण एकाग्रधीः समाधिबलमादधे भवदनुग्रहैकाग्रही. शतेन परिवत्सरैर्दृढसमाधिबन्धोल्लसत्प्रबोधविशदीकृतः स खलु पद्मिनी सम्भवः अदृष्टचरमद्भुतं तव हि रूपमन्तर्दृशा व्यचष्ट परितुष्टधीर्भुजगभोगभागाश्रयम्.
Arjun from Shloka 6.
किरीटमकुटोल्लसत्कटकहारकेयूरयुङ्मणिस्फुरितमेखलं सुपरिवीतपीताम्बरं कलायकुसुमप्रभङ्गलतलोल्लसत्कौस्तुभं वपुस्तदयि भावये कमलजन्मने दर्शितम्.
You can tell in a different pitch if it is more comfortable.
Okay. श्रुति प्रकरदर्शित प्रचुर वैभव श्रीपते हरे जय जय प्रभो पदमुपैषि दृष्ट्या दृशोः कुरुष्व धियमाशु मे भुवन निर्मितौ कर्मठाम् इति द्रुहिण वर्णितस्वगुणभं हि मा पाहि माम्। लभस्व भुवनत्रयीरचन दक्षतामक्षतां गृहाण मदनुग्रहं कुरुत पश्च भूयो विधे भवत्वखिल साधनी मयि च भक्तिरत्युत्कटेत्युदीर्य गृहमादधा मुदितचेतसंवेधसम्।
Last time it is Udirya Giramadhatha, not Griham. Repeat the last.
भवत्वखिल साधनी मयि च भक्तिरत्युत्कटेत्युदीर्य गिरमादधा मुदितचेतसंवेधसम्। शतं कृततपास्ततः स खलु दिव्यसंवत्सरान् अवाप्य च तपोबलं मतिबलं च पूर्वाधिकम् उदीक्ष्य किल कम्पितं पयसि पङ्कजं वायुना भवद्बलविजृम्भितः पवनपाथसीपीतवान् तवैव कृपया पुनः सरसिजेन तेनैव सह प्रकल्प्य भुवनत्रयीं प्रववृते प्रजानिर्मितौ तथाविध कृपाभरो गुरुमरुत्पुराधीश्वर त्वमाशु परिपाहि मां गुरुदयोक्षितैरीक्षितैः। इति श्रीमन्नारायणीये जगत्सृष्टिवर्णनं नाम नवमं दशकं समाप्तं। नारायणाखिलगुरो भगवन्नमस्ते।
Good. Ramya, 10th dashak.
वैकुण्ठवर्धितबलोऽथ भवत्प्रसादात् अम्भोजयोनिरसृजत् किल जीवदेहान् स्थास्नूनि भूरुहमयानि तथा तिरश्चाम् जातिं मनुष्यनिवहानपि देवभेदान् मिथ्याग्रहास्मि मतिरागविकोपभीतिः अज्ञानवृत्तिमिति पञ्चविधां ससृष्ट्वा विधानदूनः तेने त्वदीयचरणस्मरणं विशुद्ध्यै।
We will continue with the new shloka today, third shloka. In the end, I have some announcements. We will see. Ramya, तावत् ससर्ज मनसा सनकं सनन्दं भूयः सनातनमुनिञ्च सनत्कुमारम् ते सृष्टिकर्मणि
ते सृष्टिकर्मणि
तु तेन
तु तेन
नियुज्यमानाः
नियुज्यमानाः
त्वत्पाद
त्वत्पाद
भक्तिरसिकाः
भक्तिरसिकाः
जगृहुर्नवाणीम्
जगृहुर्नवाणीम्
तावत् ससर्ज मनसा
तावत् ससर्ज मनसा
सनकं सनन्दम्
सनकं सनन्दम्
भूयः सनातनमुनिम्
भूयः सनातनमुनिम्
च सनत्कुमारम्
च सनत्कुमारम्
ते सृष्टिकर्मणि तु
ते सृष्टिकर्मणि तु
तेन नियुज्यमानाः
तेन नियुज्यमानाः
त्वत्पादभक्तिरसिकाः
त्वत्पादभक्तिरसिकाः
जगृहुर्नवाणीम्
जगृहुर्नवाणीम्
तावत् ससर्ज मनसा सनकं सनन्दम्
तावत् ससर्ज मनसा सनकं सनन्दम्
भूयः सनातनमुनिं च सनत्कुमारम्
भूयः सनातनमुनिं च सनत्कुमारम्
ते सृष्टिकर्मणि तु तेन नियुज्यमानाः
ते सृष्टिकर्मणि तु तेन नियुज्यमानाः
त्वत्पादभक्तिरसिका जगृहुर्नवाणीम्
त्वत्पादभक्तिरसिका जगृहुर्नवाणीम् तावत्
it's a little difficult. It might be a little difficult to pronounce for some of you. Jagruhurna. It's actually Sandhi when you separate, it is Jagruhuhu and Na. There is Jagru, simple. Jagru. And then Hurna. That's how you can practice. Though the splitting is not like that, you can practice as Jagruhurna. Jagruhurnavani. Repeat the whole shloka.
तावत् ससर्ज मनसा सनकं सनन्दम् भूयः सनातनमुनिं च सनत्कुमारम् ते सृष्टिकर्मणि तु तेन नियुज्यमानाः त्वत्पादभक्तिरसिका जगृहुर्नवाणीम्
Move on to shloka 4. Arjun.
तावत्
प्रकोपमुदितम् प्रतिरुन्धतोऽस्य
प्रतिरुन्धतोऽस्य
भ्रूमध्यतः
भ्रूमध्यतः
अजनिमृडः
अजनिमृडः
भवदेकदेशः
भवदेकदेशः
नामानि मे कुरु पदानि
पदानि च
हा विरिञ्चेति
हा विरिञ्चेति
आदौ रुरोद किल तेन
सरुद्रनामा
तावत् प्रकोपमुदितं प्रतिरुन्धतोऽस्य भ्रूमध्यतो
जनि
मृडो भवदेकदेशः नामानि मे कुरु पदानि च हा
विरिञ्च
इत्यादौ रुरोद
किल
तेन सरुद्रनामा तावत् प्रकोपमुदितं
प्रतिरुन्धतोऽस्य
भ्रूमध्यतो जनिमृडो भवदेकदेशः नामानि मे कुरु पदानि
च
हा विरिञ्चेत्यादौ रुरोद किल तेन सरुद्रनामा नामानि मे कुरु पदानि च हा विरिञ्चेत्यादौ रुरोद किल तेन सरुद्रनामा
नामानि मे कुरु पदानि च हा विरिञ्चेत्यादौ रुरोद किल तेन सरुद्रनामा नामानि मे कुरु पदानि च हा विरिञ्चेत्यादौ रुरोद किल तेन सरुद्रनामा
वेरी गुड
तावत् प्रकोपमुदितं प्रतिरुन्धतोऽस्य भ्रूमध्यतो जनिमृडो भवदेकदेशः नामानि मे कुरु पदानि च विरिञ्चेत्यादौ रुरोद किल तेन स रुद्रनामा.
Very good. Shloka number 5, Spurti. एकादश
एकादश एकादश
आह्वयतया
आह्वयतया आह्वयतया
च विभिन्नरूपम्
च विभिन्नरूपम्
रुद्रं विधाय दयिताः वनिताश्च दत्त्वा तावन्ति अदत्त च पदानि भवत्प्रणुन्नः प्राह प्रजाविरचनाय च सादरन्तम् एकादशाह्वयतया च विभिन्नरूपम् रुद्रं विधाय दयिता वनिताश्च दत्त्वा तावन्त्यदत्त च पदानि भवत्प्रणुन्नः प्राह प्रजाविरचनाय च सादरन्तम् एकादशाह्वयतया च विभिन्नरूपम् एकादशाह्वय, tell the ekara only from the throat, not with the yakara.
एकादशाह्वयतया च विभिन्नरूपम्
रुद्रं विधाय दयिता वनिताश्च दत्त्वा तावन्त्यदत्त च पदानि भवत्प्रणुन्नः प्राह प्रजाविरचनाय च सादरन्तम्
प्राह प्रजा विरचनाय च सादरन्तम् एकादश वयदया च विभिन्न रूपम् रुद्रं विधाय दयिता वनिताश्च दत्त्वा तावन्त्यदत्त च पदानि भवत्प्रणुन्नः प्राह प्रजा विरचनाय च सादरं तम्।
Shloka number 6. रुद्राभिसृष्ट
भयदाकृति
रुद्रसंघ संपूर्यमाण भुवनत्रय भीतचेताः मामा प्रजाः सृजतपश्चर मंगलायेति आचष्टतम् कमलभूः भवदीरितात्मा रुद्राभिसृष्ट भयदाकृति रुद्रसंघ संपूर्यमाण भुवनत्रय भीतचेताः मामा प्रजासृज Then there is in second time she told properly. So there is prajasrija. So there is sakara because of the visarga. The sakara is dvitva. Tapascharamangalaaya ityachashtatam kamalabhuh भवदीरितात्मा रुद्राभिसृष्ट भयदाकृति रुद्रसंघ संपूर्यमाण भुवनत्रय भीतचेताः
सम्पूर्यमाण भुवनत्रयभीतचेताः सम्पूर्यमाण भुवनत्रयभीतचेताः
रुद्राभिसृष्ट भयदाकृति रुद्रसङ्घ सम्पूर्यमाण भुवनत्रयभीतचेताः
रुद्राभिसृष्ट भयदाकृति रुद्रसङ्घ सम्पूर्यमाण भुवनत्रयभीतचेताः रुद्राभिसृष्ट भयदाकृति रुद्रसङ्घ सम्पूर्यमाण भुवनत्रयभीतचेताः
मामा प्रजासृज तपश्चरमङ्गलायेति
मामा प्रजासृज तपश्चरमङ्गलायेति मामा प्रजासृज तपश्चरमङ्गलायेति
आचष्टतं कमलभूर्भवदीरितात्मा
आचष्टतं कमलभूर्भवदीरितात्मा आचष्टतं कमलभूर्भवदीरितात्मा
मामा प्रजासृज तपश्चरमङ्गलायेत्याचष्टतं कमलभूर्भवदीरितात्मा
मामा प्रजासृज तपश्चरमङ्गलायेत्याचष्टतं कमलभूर्भवदीरितात्मा मामा प्रजासृज तपश्चरमङ्गलायेत्याचष्टतं कमलभूर्भवदीरितात्मा.
So in this shloka, the first two lines have to be recited continuously together. It is one single word. It is one single compound word starting from Rudra Pisrishta till Bhita Chetaha. There is, by Vyakarana, there is no pause that you can give there. If at all you cannot hold your breath for those two lines and have to give a pause, then wherever I stopped while teaching the first padas, like Rudra Pisrishta, Sampuryamana, there you may give a pause. The best Uttama Paksha is to tell both the whole word together, that is the first two lines together. Similarly, the third and fourth lines, here you can stop at Mangalayeti, but then the meter will go wrong. So as usual, we are continuing. So this is the first shloka we are coming across where 1 and 2 together, 3 and 4 together. So there is no pause at all in between anywhere. That is. Repeat the whole shloka, Ramya. Ramya, we can't hear you. Muted yourself.
रुद्राभिसृष्ट भयदाकृति रुद्रसङ्घ सम्पूर्यमाण भुवनत्रयभीतचेताः मामा प्रजासृज तपश्चरमङ्गलायेत्याचष्टतं कमलभूर्भवदीरितात्मा.
So as you said, Ramya lost a little breath here and there, but as you practice, it will come. You can hold your breath for 2 lines. Since these are shorter shlokas, like 14 letters, you will be able to hold your breath enough. For example, these 2 lines together is 28 letters, whereas 1 line of the first Dashakam was 21 letters. So if you can hold your breath there, you can surely hold your breath here. You just need some practice, that's all. We go to shloka number 7. Arjun, repeat it. Yes. Tasyath
सर्गरसिकस्य मरीचिरत्रिः तत्राङ्गिराः क्रतुमुनिः
पुलः पुलस्त्यः
पुलः पुलस्त्यः पुलः पुलस्त्यः
अङ्गादजायत
अङ्गादजायत अङ्गादजायत
भृगुश्च
भृगुश्च भृगुश्च
वसिष्ठदक्षौ
वसिष्ठदक्षौ वसिष्ठदक्षौ
श्रीनारदश्च
श्रीनारदश्च श्रीनारदश्च
भगवन्
भगवन् भगवन्
भवदङ्घ्रिदासः
भवदङ्घ्रिदासः भवदङ्घ्रिदासः.
Here in the first line, I have written it together. Actually, we will be splitting it. I am not able to see my notes. Marichi Ratrihi, there is a Visarga here. So a Visarga here, and this Sakara will not, this Sakara will not be there. It will be Tat. So I will split it and put it up. It is Marichi Ratrihi, then Tatrangiraha. So this, whatever is printed is not wrong, but we have always been splitting at the end of the lines. So we will continue that. Similarly, in the English also, it will become the H will come here. It will be H with the dot below, and there will be no Sakara. There will be no S in the beginning. Okay. Tasyath sarga rasikasya.
तस्याथ सर्गरसिकस्य तस्याथ सर्गरसिकस्य
Marichiratrihi.
मरीचिरत्रिः मरीचिरत्रिः
तत्राङ्गिराः
तत्राङ्गिराः तत्राङ्गिराः
क्रतुमुनिः पुलः पुलस्त्यः
क्रतुमुनिः पुलः पुलस्त्यः क्रतुमुनिः पुलः पुलस्त्यः
अङ्गादजायत भृगुश्च
अङ्गादजायत भृगुश्च अङ्गादजायत भृगुश्च
वसिष्ठदक्षौ
वसिष्ठदक्षौ वसिष्ठदक्षौ
श्रीनारदश्च भगवन्
श्रीनारदश्च भगवन् श्रीनारदश्च भगवन्
भवदङ्घ्रिदासः
भवदङ्घ्रिदासः भवदङ्घ्रिदासः.
There is one more mistake. This tatrangiraha, this na should be half. So it is tatrangiraha. The ikara should go from ga. So it would be like this actually. Tatrangiraha. In English, if you say the I should come after the G. So the I should come here instead of here. Okay, both these corrections I will make it and put it up on the website where I put it. Tasyath sarga rasikasya marichiratrihi.
तस्याथ सर्गरसिकस्य मरीचिरत्रिः तस्याथ सर्गरसिकस्य मरीचिरत्रिः
तत्राङ्गिराः क्रतुमुनिः पुलः पुलस्त्यः
तत्राङ्गिरः क्रतुमुनिः पुलः पुलस्त्याः.
Repeat.
Oh, sorry. तत्राङ्गिरः क्रतुमुनिः पुलः पुलस्त्याः तत्राङ्गिरः क्रतुमुनिः पुलः पुलस्त्यः.
अङ्गादजायत भृगुश्च वसिष्ठदक्षौ
अङ्गादजायत भृगुश्च वसिष्ठदक्षौ अङ्गादजायत भृगुश्च वसिष्ठदक्षौ
श्रीनारदश्च भगवन् भवदङ्घ्रिदासः
श्रीनारदश्च भगवन् भवदङ्घ्रिदासः श्रीनारदश्च भगवन् भवदङ्घ्रिदासः तस्याथ सर्गरसिकस्य मरीचिरत्रिः तत्राङ्गिरः क्रतुमुनिः पुलः पुलस्त्यः
The ra you it's dirgha, so tatrangirah kratumunihi.
तत्राङ्गिराः क्रतुमुनिः पुलः पुलस्त्याः तत्राङ्गिराः क्रतुमुनिः पुलः पुलस्त्यः अङ्गादजायत भृगुश्च वसिष्ठदक्षौ श्रीनारदश्च भगवन् भवदङ्घ्रिदासः.
Good. We'll move on to shloka number 3.
धर्मादिकान अभिसृजन्
अथ कर्दमञ्च वाणीं विधाय विधिरङ्गज संकुलोऽभूत् त्वद्बोधितैः सनकदक्षमुखैः तनूजैः उद्बोधितश्च विरराम तमो विमुञ्चन् धर्मादिकान् अभिसृजन् अथ कर्दमञ्च वाणीं विधाय विधिरङ्गज संकुलोऽभूत् त्वद्बोधितैः सनकदक्षमुखैस्तनूजैः उद्बोधितश्च विरराम तमो विमुञ्चन् धर्मादिकान् अभिसृजन्नथ कर्दमञ्च वाणीं विधाय विधिरङ्गज संकुलोऽभूत्
वाणीं विधाय विधिरङ्गजसङ्कुलोऽभूत् वाणीं विधाय विधिरङ्गजसङ्कुलोऽभूत्
त्वद्बोधितैः सनकदक्षमुखैस्तनूजैः
त्वद्बोधितैः सनकदक्षमुखैस्तनूजैः त्वद्बोधितैः सनकदक्षमुखैस्तनूजैः
उद्बोधितश्च विररामतमो विमुञ्चन्
उद्बोधितश्च विररामतमो विमुञ्चन् उद्बोधितश्च विररामतमो विमुञ्चन् धर्मादिकानभिसृजन्नथ कर्दमञ्च वाणीं विधाय विधिरङ्गजसङ्कुलोऽभूत् त्वद्बोधितैः सनकदक्षमुखैस्तनूजैः उद्बोधितश्च विररामतमो विमुञ्चन्.
Very good. The ninth shloka. Ramya. वेदान
वेदान वेदान
पुराण निवहान
पुराण निवहान पुराण निवहान
अपि सर्वविद्याः
अपि सर्वविद्याः
कुर्वन्
कुर्वन्
निजाननगणात्
निजाननगणात्
चतुराननोऽसौ
चतुराननोऽसौ
पुत्रेषु तेषु
पुत्रेषु तेषु
विनिधाय स
सर्गवृद्धिम्
अप्राप्नुवन् तव पदाम्बुजम् आश्रितो भूत् वेदान् पुराण निवहान अपि सर्वविद्याः कुर्वन्निजानन गणाच्चतुराननोऽसौ पुत्रेषु तेषु विनिधाय
ससर्गवृद्धिम्
अप्राप्नुवंस्तव पदाम्बुजमाश्रितो भूत् वेदान् पुराणनिवहानपि सर्वविद्याः
वेदान् पुराणनिवहानपि सर्वविद्याः वेदान् पुराणनिवहानपि सर्वविद्याः
कुर्वन्निजाननगणाच्चतुराननोऽसौ
कुर्वन्निजाननगणाच्चतुराननोऽसौ कुर्वन्निजाननगणाच्चतुराननोऽसौ
पुत्रेषु तेषु विनिधाय ससर्गवृद्धिम्
पुत्रेषु तेषु विनिधाय ससर्गवृद्धिम् पुत्रेषु तेषु विनिधाय ससर्गवृद्धिम्
अप्राप्नुवंस्तव पदाम्बुजमाश्रितो भूत्
अप्राप्नुवंस्तव पदाम्बुजमाश्रितो भूत् अप्राप्नुवंस्तव पदाम्बुजमाश्रितो भूत् वेदान् पुराणनिवहानपि सर्वविद्याः कुर्वन्निजाननगणाच्चतुराननोऽसौ पुत्रेषु तेषु विनिधाय ससर्गवृद्धिम् आप्राप्नुवंस्तव पदाम्बुजमाश्रितो भूत् अप्राप्नुवंस्तव पदाम्बुजमाश्रितो भूत्
Good. Shloka number 10. Arjun. Janan
जानन् जानन्
उपायमथ
उपायमथ उपायमथ
देहमजो विभज्य
देहमजो विभज्य देहमजो विभज्य
स्त्रीपुंसभावम्
श्रीपुंसभावम् श्रीपुंसभावम्
It is not Sri, it is Stri. Sa, Ta and Ra. Probably that is the font which makes things like that. If you, okay, not only font, the printing mistake itself is there even in English. So it is Stri. The Takara is also there. Okay, we'll change it, yes. Stri Pumsabhavam.
स्त्रीपुंसभावम् स्त्रीपुंसभावम्
Abhajat.
अभजत अभजत
Manutadvadhubhyam.
मनुतद्वधुभ्याम् मनुतद्वधुभ्याम्
Not Vadhu, it is Manutadvadhubhyam.
मनुतद्वधूभ्याम् मनुतद्वधूभ्याम्
ताभ्यांच
ताभ्याञ्च ताभ्याञ्च
मानुषकुलानि
मानुषकुलानि मानुषकुलानि
विवर्धयन्स्त्वम्
विवर्धयंस्त्वम् विवर्धयंस्त्वम्
गोविन्द
गोविन्द गोविन्द
मारुतपुरेश
मारुतपुरेश मारुतपुरेश
निरुन्धिरोगान्
निरुन्धिरोगान् निरुन्धिरोगान्
जानन्नुपायमथ
जानन्नुपायमथ जानन्नुपायमथ
देहमजो विभज्य
देहमजो विभज्य देहमजो विभज्य
स्त्रीपुंसभावमभजत्
स्त्रीपुंसभावमभजत् स्त्रीपुंसभावमभजत्
मनुतद्वधूभ्याम्
मनुतद्वधूभ्याम्
ताभ्यां च मानुषकुलानि
ताभ्यां च मानुषकुलानि विवर्धयंस्त्वम्
गोविन्दमारुतपुरेश
गोविन्दमारुतपुरेश
निरुन्धिरोगान्
निरुन्धिरोगान्
जानन्नुपायमथ देहमजो विभज्य
जानन्नुपायमथ देहमजो विभज्य जानन्नुपायमथ देहमजो विभज्य
स्त्रीपुंसभावमभजन्मनुतद्वधूभ्याम्
स्त्रीपुंसभावमभजन्मनुतद्वधूभ्याम्
ताभ्यां च मानुषकुलानि विवर्धयंस्त्वम्
ताभ्यां च मानुषकुलानि विवर्धयंस्त्वम् ताभ्यां च मानुषकुलानि विवर्धयंस्त्वम्
गोविन्दमारुतपुरेश निरुन्धिरोगान्
गोविन्दमारुतपुरेश निरुन्धिरोगान् गोविन्दमारुतपुरेश निरुन्धिरोगान् जानन्नुपायमथ देहमजो विभज्य स्त्रीपुंसभावमभजन्मनुतद्वधूभ्याम् ताभ्यां च मानुषकुलानि विवर्धयंस्त्वम् गोविन्दमारुतपुरेश निरुन्धिरोगान्
Good. Anyway, इति श्रीमन्नारायणीये
इति श्रीमन्नारायणीये
सृष्टिवैविध्यवर्णनम् नाम दशमं दशकं समाप्तम्
नाम दशमं दशकं समाप्तम्
दशमं दशकम्
Yeah.
Repeat
Oh.
the whole line.
इति श्रीमन्नारायणीये सृष्टिवैविध्यवर्णनं नाम दशमं दशकं समाप्तम् नारायणाखिलगुरो भगवन्नमस्ते.
So now next I have few announcements now. After that I will repeat the whole of the 10th dashakam. Then we will have probably we will see other question answers or student dissertation. We will see after that depending. So first some important announcements. That being, so discourse for dashakams 6 to 10. So now we have finished 10 dashakams. So that is we have completed 10%, 1/10 of the Narayani Grantha. So discourse for dashakam 6 to 10 will be on 16th August. That is next Sunday. So tomorrow is 9th and next Sunday we will have the discourse around the same time. Just like last time, it will be a YouTube live stream, which the link will be sent to you by mail. And Anyway, in the live, you can go to the Vyoma channel and then log in and see that. So around Sunday evening, probably around 6 or 6:30, same as last time, we will have that. The meanings. And the memorization test for Dashakam 6 to 10 will be after 3 weeks, mostly in first week of September. It will be. So whoever wants to tell 6 to 10, like if you have attended 1 to 5 already, then you can tell only 6 to 10. If you have not attended 1 to 5, you can tell 1 to 10. Again, if you have not attended 1 to 5, you can still tell only 6 to 10. There are many people who joined the class at a later point. They were not there in the first few classes, so they may have joined later, so they can tell only 6 to 10 also. It does not matter. If you finish 1 to 10, so you would have already memorized, and then going forward, probably when we give the certificates for all Dashakams together, you will get that certificate and you will also be happy of learning the whole thing. So the idea is to memorize all the 100 Dashakams. So now itself you can catch up and finish the first 5 also. So the test will be for 6 to 10. Anybody who wants to tell 1 to 5 also, and people can tell 1 to 5 only if they have not told in the first memorization test. Those people cannot repeat 1 to 5. They can stick to 6 to 10. So that will be in the first week of September. Similar to last time, I will send out the Google registration form and then we will put the slots, and very similar, the same process as last time. You will get the mails regarding that. Anyway, next week also I will announce that, so that we will know how to do. And many people had mailed me asking how do we donate. So as such, this course is free. There is no requirement for there is no compulsory donation or any fees of any sort. It is completely free to access. If at all you want to voluntarily donate or give some Guru Dakshina, then you may go to the website sanskritfromhome.in, and there is this button called donate on top. There you can go and see. There is a very as usual very similar to the payment gateways that we have on our website. It is there. For people who are donating from USA also, there is a different website because the tax exemptions and other things are different. So on the same page, you go to sanskritfromhome.in, you press donate. For the USA people, there is a different website that is given. So you may click that and go and donate there. So there is no requirement for donation. It is completely free. It is only voluntary. Since I got some mails regarding this, I am putting it out that this is how it has to be done. I did not want to reply separately to each mail. So it is absolutely voluntary. You can go there. There are clear instructions as to how to go about that. So these are the 3 main announcements of today. Discourse next week, memorization test in the first week of September, and the donations. So any questions you have regarding this, we will take it up. So now I will finish the recitation of the whole of the 10th Dashakam. And also next week, I am thinking whether we might have a revision class or we might continue. So that I will probably put a poll across in a mail and then ask you people whether you want a revision class or we will continue ahead. Okay, so revision class also I do not know how to do because there are more than 350 or 400 people attending each class. So I have to structure how I would do a revision class. So I am just thinking of that. If there is no revision class required, anyway we all have the videos, so you can revise listening to that. And I will see what to do about it. I just think over the week. So now I will just tell the whole of the 10th Dashakam for revision. Atha Dashamam Dashakam Vaikunఠవర్ధిత బలోథ భవత్ ప్రసాదాత్. Sorry, I will restart. అథ దశమం దశకం వైకుంఠవర్ధిత బలోథ భవత్ ప్రసాదాత్ అంభోజయోనిరసృజత్ కిల జీవదేహాన్ స్థాస్నోని భూరుహమయాని తథాతిరశ్చాం జాతిం మనుష్య నివహానపి దేవభేదాన్ మిథ్యాగ్రహాస్మి మతిరాగ వికోపభీతిః అజ్ఞానవృత్తిమితి పంచవిధాం ససృష్ట్వా ఉద్దామ తామస పదార్థ విధానదోనః తేనే త్వదీయ చరణ స్మరణం విశుద్ధ్యై तावत् ससर्ज मनसा सनकं सनन्दं भूयः सनातनमुनिं च सनत्कुमारम् ते सृष्टिकर्मणि तु तेन नियुज्यमानाः त्वत्पादभक्तिरसिका जगृहुर्नवाणीम् तावत् प्रकोपमुदितं प्रतिरुन्धतोऽस्य भ्रूमध्यतो जनिमृडो भवदेकदेशः नामानि मे कुरु पदानि च विरिञ्चेत्यादौ रुरोद किल तेन स रुद्रनामा एकादशाह्वयतया च विभिन्नरूपम् रुद्रं विधाय दयिता वनिताश्च दत्त्वा तावन्त्यदत्त च पदानि भवत्प्रणुन्नः प्राह प्रजा विरचनाय च सादरन्तम् रुद्राभिसृष्ट भयदाकृतिरुद्रसङ्घ सम्पूर्यमाण भुवनत्रयभीतचेताः मामा प्रजासृज तपश्चरमङ्गलायेत्याचष्टतं कमलभूर्भवदीरितात्मा तस्याथ सर्गरसिकस्य मरीचिरत्रिः तत्राङ्गिराः क्रतुमुनिः पुलः पुलस्त्यः अंगादजायत भृगुश्च वसिष्ठदक्षौ श्रीनारदश्च भगवन् भवदङ्घ्रिदासः धर्मादिकान् अभिसृजन्नथ कर्दमञ्च वाणीं विधाय विधिरङ्गजसङ्कुलोऽभूत् त्वद्बोधितैः सनकदक्षमुखैस्तनूजैः उद्बोधितश्च विररामतमो विमुञ्चन् वेदान् पुराणनिवहानपि सर्वविद्याः कुर्वन्निजाननगणाच्चतुराननोऽसौ पुत्रेषु तेषु विनिधाय ससर्गवृद्धिम् अप्राप्नुवंस्तव पदाम्बुजमाश्रितोऽभूत् जानन्नुपायमथ देहमजो विभज्य स्त्रीपुंसभावमभजन्मनु तद्वधूभ्याम् ताभ्यां च मानुषकुलानि विवर्धयन्स्त्वं गोविन्दमारुतपुरेश निरुन्धिरोगान् इति श्रीमन्नारायणीये सृष्टिवैविध्यवर्णनं नाम दशमं दशकं समाप्तम् नारायणाखिलगुरो भगवन् नमस्ते. Now we will take some questions, and then if we have time, we will do some recitation. So first, I will put all the hands down. Wait. So I have put all your hands down now. Now you may raise your hands to ask questions. Kalyana Krishna, Ram Ram. Call Krishna. Then I call Girija Murali.
Can you hear me now?
Yes, I can hear you now. Namaste.
Hi, good morning. First, I really appreciate what you're doing. I get up early in the morning waiting for this program to start.
Thank you.
Second point, I want to pitch the fact that there's lots of difficulties these days for everybody, both in the US and the rest of the world. And temples like the one, a large temple in Livermore, their expenses are $100,000 a month, and their revenue is zero. And therefore, we should support Vyoma Lab, even if it is $1.75 a week, just the cost of a cup of coffee at the coffee shop. if everyone can donate $1.75 a week, those who listen from the US, and this will support Vyoma for their infrastructure, paying some of the teachers and some other overhead expenses. And those two guys who founded the organization, they rejected everything that they had to support
Yes.
this group. Therefore, I urge each and every one of you that those large supporters henceforth that they had are unable to do as much supporting anymore. Therefore, we call upon each and every one of the devotees here to support the organization just by starting every week, $75 a week. Automated payments will really be appreciated, I'm sure, by Vyoma Lab. They did not ask me to say this to you, but I'm doing it on my own. All right. Thank you very much.
Yes,
Again,
thank you.
very grateful.
Yes. Yeah. So Krishnan sir is one of the support pillars for Vyoma in the US. I have heard from the brothers. Thank you very much. Thank you. Girija Murali. Girija Murali. Ram, Girija Murali, you had a question?
Ram, Namaskaram.
Yes, I can hear you. Yes.
Just like that, நான் வந்து படிச்சுட்டு இருக்கேன். உங்களோடது ரொம்ப பெரிய எஃபர்ட். அதுவும் இந்த சன்ஸ்கிரிட் ப்ரொனன்சியேஷன் மிஸ் பண்ணாம நாராயணியத்தை சொல்லி கொடுக்கறதுங்கிறது வந்து ரொம்ப பெரிய எஃபர்ட். So we are all thankful to you for this.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Namaste. VN Meena. Then I'll call Uma Kriti. Yes, VN Meena.
இந்த பாராயணம் பண்றதுக்கும் ஏதாவது ஒரு இது டெஸ்ட் மாதிரி வெப்பேளா முன்னாடி?
வெப்பம் அது சொல்லிருக்கோம். பாராயணம், that is reading from the book. அது வந்து after 25 தசகம்ஸ் வெப்பம். 25 தசகம் ஆனப்பறம்.
இல்ல டெஸ்ட் வெப்பேள். அதுக்கு முன்னாடி ஏதாவது கொஞ்சம் பிராக்டிஸ் செஷன் ஏதாவது இருக்குமா?
பிராக்டிஸ் அது பார்க்கணும் எவ்வளவு பேருக்கு எந்த மாதிரி பிராக்டிஸ் பண்றதுன்னு there is ஐடியா இல்ல. ஏன்னா there are about 400 students who are at least regularly attending the class. Other than that, there are many more people who are watching on YouTube and so on. So giving chance to everybody is difficult. So test ku register பண்ணேன்னா டெஸ்ட்ல எப்படியும் கேட்போம். That time you will anyway get feedback and each one will be asked separately. So even if you do not know before, you can register for the test. That is a good way to judge yourself also, because you will get personal feedback.
மார்க் டெஸ்ட் நடக்காதாக்கும். மார்க் டெஸ்ட் இல்ல.
மார்க் டெஸ்ட்னா ஒரு 3-4 பேரை வச்சு பண்ணலாம். பட் மெமரைசேஷன் டெஸ்டே தானே பாராயணம் டெஸ்ட் மாதிரி ஒண்ணும் இல்ல.
ஒரு 2-3 பேராவது சொல்லி கேட்டானா என்ன எப்படி பண்ணணும்? ஏன்னா எப்படி
மெமரைசேஷன் டெஸ்ட்லயே மார்க் டெஸ்ட் ஆயிடும். அவ பாராயணத்துல அவ்வளவுதானே வித்தியாசம்.
ஓ சோ இந்த உபன்யாசம் இருக்கா இந்த சண்டேயா? வர சண்டேயா?
அடுத்த சண்டே. நாளைக்கு இல்ல, அடுத்தது.
Okay, thank you so much. We are expecting eagerly. Thank you very much.
Uma Kriti.
நமஸ்காரம். ராம். எனக்கு 2 இடத்துல டவுட் இருக்கு. 10-3 தசகம் 10 ஸ்லோகா நம்பர் 3.
தசகம் 10 ஸ்லோகா 3.
இதுல அந்த 3வது லைன்லயும் 4வது லைன்லயும் சேர்த்து சொல்லணுமா? ஏன்னா கடைசியில நியுஜ்ய மானாக்கு பக்கத்துல ஒரு ஹைஃபன் வருது. அதனால ரெண்டுத்தையும் சேர்த்து சொல்லணுமா இல்ல தனித்தனியா தான் சொல்லணுமா?
இல்ல, நீங்க புஸ்தகத்துல however it is there in the book, do not go by that. If I have put a hyphen here on the screen, then you should tell it together. இங்க ஸ்கிரீன்ல ஹைஃபன் இல்ல பாருங்க. நியுஜ்யமானாஹான்னு விசர்க்கம் போட்டு பிரிச்சிருக்கேன்.
ஏன்னா நான் வச்சிருக்கிற புக்ல வந்து அந்த நாக்கு அப்புறமா ஹைஃபன் தான்.
புஸ்தகத்துல இருக்கிறது தப்பு இல்ல. அங்க வந்து நியுஜ்யமானாஹான் இந்த விசர்க்கத்தை எடுத்துட்டு அவ தொப்பாத பரிசிகான்னு கொடுத்திருப்பா. அது சந்தியோட சேர்த்து சொன்னா அப்படி வரும்.
ஓகே
So
ஓகே
இது
ஓகே. ஏன்னா ஃபோர்த் ஸ்லோகால விரிஞ்சே தியாதோ அது ரெண்டும் சேர்த்து தேர்ட் அண்ட் ஃபோர்த் ரெண்டும் சேர்த்து வரா மாதிரி வருது.
அந்த இடத்துல பிரிச்சா சந்தஸ் சரியா வராது, அதனால அங்க சேர்த்து சொல்றோம். இந்த இடத்துல பிரிச்சா பிரிக்க முடியும் இங்க.
ஓகே.
இதேதான்
இன்னொரு
இதே மாதிரி தான். இது டவுட் வேற இடத்துல வரவே வேண்டாம், இதே மாதிரி தான். இங்க பிரிச்சிருந்தா பிரிக்க முடியும், பிரிக்கலன்னா அந்த இடத்துல பிரிச்சா சரி வராது. அவ்வளவு.
ஓகே ஓகே, தேங்க்யூ மகாதியா. இன்னொரு டவுட் வந்து ஸ்லோகா நம்பர் 10, 10th தசகம் ஸ்லோகா நம்பர் 10. அதுல வந்து எங்கிட்ட இருக்கிற புக்ல வந்து கோவிந்த மாருத புராதிபன் இருக்கு. ஆனா நீங்க இப்ப சொல்லி கொடுக்கும்போது புரேஷ நிருந்தி ரோஹான்னு சொல்லி கொடுத்து, which is correct.
That is not wrong. This is also correct. That is also correct. புராதிப அதுக்கப்புறம் என்ன இருக்கு?
புராதிபருந்தி ரோஹான்.
That is also correct. This is also correct. We will follow this.
Essence Sastri book.
Yes.
Okay. Thank you, Mahodaya.
Surya Narayanan Mudukoru. Then I'll call P. Shanta.
Namaskaram, Mahodaya.
Namaste.
In the memorization test announce பண்ணிருக்கேன். For Vruddhas like us, can we see and recite the slokas?
No, that test is separate. We will have that after 25 dashakams. I have announced it before.
Okay.
You can see the.
Okay, okay, sir. Dhanyavadah.
Dhanyavad. P. Shanta. Then I'll call Jyoti Shanai. Ram Ram. P. Shanta, you are unmuted on both sides. P. Shanta. Jyoti Shanai.
Yeah, good morning, Guruji. Ram Ram.
Namaste.
Namaste. Yeah, I had a question. I started the course only on 18th of July, to the last 2 Saturdays, but I did not, the first class 18 July, I was just getting used to it, the modus operandi. I didn't have the book. So I got the book only 1st of August and I couldn't mark on the computer. So I just started, So I just started from 1st of August and I'm comfortable only with the 10th Dashakam, even the 9th from 7th. So it will be a little difficult for the test for the September.
Oh, by the way, the test is only optional. Test is not compulsory for everyone.
Okay.
Test is optional, completely optional.
Yeah, it is only to get the confidence that we know how to recite. And I want to do that, but only thing is I may not be able to do it so quickly because I have just comfortable with 10th. Yeah.
That you can do next time when 11 to 15 comes. That time you can do.
At that time also I can, because I have to catch up with the 9 dashakams basically.
Correct.
Yeah.
Slowly, there is no urgency.
Okay. Yeah, that's all. So thank you very much and happy Krishna Janmashtami to you.
Thank you. Happy Krishna Janmashtami to all.
Yeah. Thanks a lot.
Next I say they would call Geeta Vinod. Then I'll call Flower Valley. Geeta Vinod.
Namo Namah Mahoday. I wanted to ask you, you had mentioned that those who have not taken part in the first test, they can give 1 to 10. No? If they have not taken part in that first, and if they have not registered, is it still okay?
Meaning now they will register again. If they have not registered, they will register. It's a completely different one. It is not correct.
This is a separate Google form, no, for this. So anybody who wants to join now can join.
Yes, exactly.
But they have to tell 1 to 10.
No, not they have to tell. They can also tell 6 to 10. But if they finish 1 to 5 also, it is easier for them. And when we are giving certificates for 1 to 20 or something like that, they would have finished 1 to 5.
So how would we get certificates now? We'll get only after completing all the dashakams, or would we be getting
not after 100? No, not after 100. We are thinking whether it is for every 10 or every 20, something like that.
Okay. And the result of what we did, is it any?
That I will send this week. I just compiled it. I will send it to the organizers and they will send it.
Okay. Dhanyavad.
Flower Valley. Then I'll call Vihan. Those who have finished, please mute yourself.
Ram Ram Mahodaya.
Ram.
Got the same doubt of the 10th shloka only last. Govinda Maruta Puradhiba Rundi Rogan. That already.
That is just a part of Veda.
Yeah, I want to know one more thing for the 7th one, eighth one, the last, that Udbodhitascha. In that sha and cha, and what is the difference between this sha and cha and normal shani, mo, sha and cha? What is the difference that together? They're samyuktaksha?
No, there is no difference. Actually, that Shani or Shankara and this Sha is all the same. There are two ways of writing this Sha actually. I don't know when it is working. So this is one of the ways of writing. That is one of the ways of writing. That's all. So usually when in Samyuktaksharas we use this because it is easier. For example, it is the same as this Sha, the Shankara Sha. That Sha can also be written like this. This is also acceptable. For the, sorry, that some line went off. Anyway, it is again wrong. The Sha can also be written like this. There are two ways of writing the same thing. Both are equivalent. So here we use that. That's all.
Okay, thank you, Mahodaya. Thank you.
Vihan. Namaste. Vihan. Ram.
श्रूयते वा?
Shruyate.
As in their Parayana tests are there, no sir?
Yes.
So can mock tests be conducted for this?
Yes, I will conduct it next week and the week after. Anyway, we have 3. That is this thing. So I will conduct some mock tests.
Okay. Then I have it.
Meera R. Then I'll call Ari Bhanumati. Meera R. Meera R, you're self-muted. Okay, Bhanumati. Okay, yeah, Meera R, yes.
Ram. When is the results given already, or the results will be
given? Don't worry much about the result. See, what is there in the result? It is, if you have told well, you will anyway get the certificate. If you have told all the 5 dashakams well, you will get the certificate. This is not a competition where there is some first prize, second prize, or anything. You will all pass with some class or the other. So don't worry much about the result. It is about how much devotion we are learning this grantha. See, learning Narayanam, memorizing itself is a prize. That is what we want. So I want more 500 of you to memorize Narayanam. That is more important. So,
okay. Okay, Mahodaya. Dhanyawadaha. Happy Janmashtami.
Happy Janmashtami. Ari Bhanumati. Yes.
Namaskaram.
Namaskaram.
தசகம் 9 ஃபுல்லா இன்னும் அப்லோட் பண்ணலையா?
இல்ல தசகம் 9 இன்னும் அப்லோட் பண்ணல. அது இன்னும் எடிட் ஆகல. போன வாரம் தானே சொல்லிருக்கேன். ஜஸ்ட் லாஸ்ட் வீக் அத சொல்லிருக்கேன். சோ எப்படியும் அந்த full வீடியோல இந்த full class video you will have dashakam 9 at the end, and with the time stamp you can go to that particular part.
Okay, இன்னும் அது அப்லோட் ஆகல. 8th வரைக்கும் தான் அப்லோட் ஆயிருந்தது. அதுதான் கேட்கலாங்கிறதுக்காக தான்.
That separate video has not been uploaded, but anyway the full video, the end part will have me reciting that whole thing, so you can just click that time stamp and go to the required part.
Okay, dhanyawad.
Mohana Sundara Rajan, then I'll call Chitra Sumant. I think that is the last 2 people.
Namaskaram Mahodaya.
Namaskaram. Yes.
Ram. At the outset, I would like to thank you very much as usual for the sincere efforts taken by you. We all are very much blessed. First thing. Second thing, hats off to you. Second thing is, we would like to, suppose I would like to offer Guru Darshana direct to Guruji. Is it possible?
Direct as such, no, directly it is not possible.
I know your mail ID. I know you. I thought of asking through mail, but even somebody wants like me. That's why I am directly asking. To be frank with you, is it possible to offer Guru Dakshina direct to Guruji? Not like that, no?
I understand. So this is like I am teaching
I am
through an
not referring in.
like a school.
I think.
No, you listen to me. Listen,
No,
I
no,
understand what you're saying. I understand
Yes.
what you're coming. On the Vyoma page, when you go to donate, that is
Okay.
an
That I will.
there is an option. There are many
Yeah,
options. So for you can donate to
Okay.
you can donate to something. There is a special donation called Guru Dakshina, for which course you can select the course and say Guru Dakshina. That way you
Okay.
donate.
Okay, thank you very much. Second thing. Third thing is, as far as revision is concerned, I feel that already it is loaded in the YouTube, no, uploaded in the YouTube. So we can go through, people can go through, you need not waste time. My humble suggestion, you can continue teaching us. I think so. My humble suggestion, that's all.
Okay,
You need not
you.
waste
Thanks
time
for
for revision, because already you have completed 10 Dasakam. Suppose if you go for the revision, no, it will take more time. We cannot finish within the stipulated time. So that is my humble suggestion. Others should not mistake me. I'm just telling you, sir. That's all. Thank you very much. Once again, you are teaching us superbly, excellent teaching, sir. Thank you so much. Thank you very much. Happy Krishna Jayanti. Happy Krishna Jayanti. Guru Ayappa. Ram Ram. Dhanyavad. Dhanyavadah.
Dhanyavad. Chitra Sumant. Chitra Sumant.
Ram Ram.
Ram
Ram.
Yes, Chitra. Yes, Ram Ram.
In Dashakan 10, the last line, it's like Jatim Manushya Nivahanapi, right? But my script has Jatir Manushya Nivahanapi.
Some of the scripts have last time also, so one of them told that. So both are allowed, both are possible, but we will stick to Jatim Manushya Nivahanapi.
Okay. And in the same Dashakam number 7,
yes,
the last line, Sri Nara Dascha Bhagavan, I mean, you said Bhagavan Bhavadangri Dasaha, right?
Yes.
But mine has Bhagavan.
No, Bhagavan is more appropriate. We will keep it as Bhagavan.
Okay. Thank you so much.
Even if it is Bhagavan, we can make the meaning, but it is more appropriate to have Bhagavan here. Bhagavan, we are addressing Guru Ayappan. If we say Bhagavan, then we will have to put it along with either Narada or one of the Munis who have been told that, which would not be so appropriate. You keep Bhagavan as separate. Bhagavan is better.
Okay.
As
Thank
seen
you.
on the screen. Thank you.
Thanks.
Jyotsna Ramu. Then I'll call Gangi. Jyotsna Ramu.
Ram. Can we chant any shloka of any dashakam, like at any time? Or is there any rule that we have to chant a dashakam only?
No, there is no such. You're asking generally. No, there is no such rule. You can chant dashakam at any time, starting from anywhere, anything you can chant. Any shloka, anytime, anywhere you can chant.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. Gangeet.
Ram Ram. எனக்கு வந்து தசகம் 10ல 4th ஸ்லோகம் இருக்கு இல்லையா, அந்த 3 and 4 கொஞ்சம் எழுதி காட்டுங்களேன். இந்த இதுல சரியா வரல, எனக்கு புரியல. விரிஞ்சே அப்புறம் தியாதவ்னு சொல்லணுமா?
அது எப்படி இருக்கோ அப்படியே சொல்லிடுங்க. ஆ விரிஞ்சே தியாதௌரோத.
விரிஞ்சேதி தமிழ்ல விரிஞ்சேதின்னு இருக்கு.
அப்படியும் சொல்லலாம். அதனால தான் நான் இங்க இட்டின்னு பிரிச்சு விட்டுருக்கேன். விரிஞ்சேதின்னு சொல்லலாம்.
சொல்லலாமா? சரி, ஓகே. அப்புறம் அந்த 6th ஆல்சோ சொல்லுங்களேன். 3 and 4 மங்களா ஏத் சொல்லிட்டு தியாசஷ்டன் சொல்லணுமா?
இல்ல, அதுவும் சேர்த்து தான் சொல்லணும். மங்களா ஏத் தியாசஷ்ட.
ஓகே, தேங்க்யூ சார். தேங்க்யூ ராம் ராம்.
I have answered all questions. Yes. The time is already 9:30, so we will have recitations next week. Sarveshya Shubham Bhuyat. Happy Krishna Janmashtami to all of you. We will meet again next week. Ram Ram Ram. Narayana Khila Guru Bhagavan Namaste.